Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the different banks that work with Coinbase. Now, I know that this is a question that a lot of you have been asking, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to take a moment to talk about why this is such an important question. Coinbase is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It's a great place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. However, if you want to use Coinbase, you'll need to have a bank account that is compatible with the platform. Not all banks work with Coinbase. In fact, many banks are still wary of cryptocurrencies and are not willing to do business with companies that deal in them. So, if you're looking to use Coinbase, it's important to find a bank that is compatible with the platform. Now, let's get into the meat of this video. Which banks work with Coinbase? There are a number of banks that work with Coinbase. Here are a few of the most popular ones. Chase Bank, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citibank, USAA, PNC Bank, TD Bank, Capital One, Ally Bank. This is not an exhaustive list, and there may be other banks that work with Coinbase. If you're not sure whether your bank works with Coinbase, you can contact your bank and ask them. Once you've found a bank that works with Coinbase, you'll need to link your bank account to your Coinbase account. This is a simple process that can be done online. Once your bank account is linked to your Coinbase account, you'll be able to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies on the platform. In addition to the banks listed above, there are also a number of credit unions that work with Coinbase. If you're a member of a credit union, you may want to check with them to see if they work with Coinbase. Now that you know which banks work with Coinbase, you can choose the one that is right for you. I hope this information has been helpful. In addition to the banks listed above, there are also a number of other financial institutions that work with Coinbase. These include Robinhood, Revolut, BlockFi, Nexo, Gemini. If you're looking for a financial institution that works with Coinbase, you have a number of options to choose from. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching.